Hello, everyone. Well, I'm at it again. This time, making some new serving trays or charcuterie boards, depending on how you want to use it. And here is some of my newest work. As you could tell, I have not rounded the edges or done any kind of real sanding. What I have done so far is run these through the planer and cut off the excess and get it uniform and flat. Now, occasionally you're going to run into snipe, which is just a little bit of a ridge on these boards. And when that happens, you can always take a belt sander, just clean it off. And you have to be real careful about it, but it'll usually take those ridges off. And then you work your way up with the finished sanding. So I've also made some new cutting boards, and here is one of them using alder, maple, padauk, and some walnut and some Peruba rosa. And I had a nice little strip of padauk that was maybe a 16th of an inch thick that I was able to put right through the center of it to give it a little bit of a more artistic look. And here's another one of my boards. I have alder, maple, purple heart, Peruba rosa, and some walnut. And it's going to take some time to sand them down and get them ready for the router and then finally oiling them. But I really enjoy making these, and I hope that some of my designs are influential on those of you who are just starting out. I'm starting out a little bit myself. I've only been doing this a few months, but I have to tell you that there's some really good designers out there who have some great ideas and have been very influential on me. Hopefully, I can pay it forward for the rest of you.